Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. In this video, I'm just showing you a day trade that I'm making on ticker ESV. The other day I called it out to put it on your watch list on, just something that you need to keep eyes on. I actually took a small position the other day and I, swing traded it, and today it kicked up on my scanners for this good run, and I have bought in at $7.72, and right here I'm just waiting to see what it does. It's starting to meet this resistance at $7.78. I'm sorry, not $7.78, $7.80. It's at $7.78 right now, and if it breaks past $7.80, we should see a good spike, probably on up to $8. It'll probably break $8 a little bit and then take a hard dip for the rest of the day. So my plan right here is watching these Bollinger Bands. It came up here. I waited for it to pull back just a little bit before I bought in. It bought in, and as you can see right here, it just went down to $7.69, which, at one point I was just a little red, which is no big deal. If you look over here on the trading ladder, you can see all this volume right here, which that indicates, that there's a lot of interest at that price range. So that kind of showed me a good support, and you see it's right at that resistance. So we just have to break past this resistance, should see a good spike, and like I said, should have a good run up to about $8, which I want to sell before everybody else starts selling. So I will probably sell around $7.94 or 96 cents, just somewhere right in there. I'll see how it's moving. So we just broke past 780 and should see it start just ripping up here. Okay, guys, as you just saw, I just had sold. You know, it'll probably go up just a little bit more, but it hit that high right there at $7.93. I was watching level twos, and I started seeing the orders stack over on the ask at $7.93, and I just went ahead and made the decision just to go ahead, lock in my profits instead of hoping for it to go up just a little bit higher and lose money. So right there, I made $190 in that trade, which, you know, was a phenomenal trade, a phenomenal day trade. I had like $7,700 invested in it, so you know that was very good. And this is basically how I use Bollinger Bands. I was watching it. This, you know, was pushing up. It met the parameters for my scanner, and I'll let it just consolidate. Well, not consolidate, just recede a little bit right here. I took it. I was only in the red just by a few pennies. No big deal, and it was only maybe 2 minutes or so. And then you started having these what they call 3 white soldiers, you know, basically 3 green candlesticks, a good bullish run, and it got to the point to where, well, back here, like I was just saying, how I had a resistance at $7.80. Like I said, if it broke past that, we should see a good run, and we did. It went on up here. I sold at, you know, right up here. It had touched the high at this point at $7.93. I went ahead and just decided to sell. I made a great decision, made my profits, and now it's time to walk away. Hopefully this continues to go up, and if anybody else is in it, I hope you make great money. And hey, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I have a free stock trading course that I will be releasing on July 14th. I hope you guys can check it out. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.